Sesame Street presents Grover Sneezing. Learn to coffee sneeze with Pal Grover.
Step 1. Realize you're about to sneeze. Step 2. Move your elbow toward your nose and mouth. Step 3.
Achoo!
Gesundheit.
Oh, thank you.